All right, our next item is teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken, of course, with teriyaki glaze, fortune cookies, again, or fortune cookie, and our vegetable fried rice. The teriyaki chicken comes in a large case again, 43-pound case, 6 bags of chicken per case with 6 bags of teriyaki glaze or sauce. So again, it's the same thing as your orange chicken. 6 bags and 6 bags. 1 bag of chicken, 1 bag of sauce. The case has 240 servings. It's a little bit more servings than the orange chicken, which means there's 40 servings per bag. The rice is the same. We already did the recipe. To prepare the teriyaki chicken, same as orange chicken. Take it out the day before, out of the case, place the bags in the refrigerator so they're not frozen the day when you serve it. Same thing as the orange chicken again. 1 bag of teriyaki chicken per sheet pan with a parchment paper, of course. And again, spread it out. And then we place this in the oven at 450 degrees until you want to see a little bit of color on top of the chicken. I'm going to explain that when I show you the chicken, when I take it out of the oven. Remember, when you go to a Chinese restaurant or a Japanese restaurant, teriyaki chicken always has a little crust. So we want to make sure it's not soggy. The sauce, again, if you can boil it in boiling water, do it that way, or put it in a 400 pan with a little bit of water, cover it with foil, place it in the oven so it's not cold when we serve it. All right, here's our teriyaki chicken. You can see we got a little bit of color on top. That's what we want. That's why we want to cook it at 450 degrees, and it just gives it a little bit of a crust. We place it in the 400 pan. Take our teriyaki sauce, that remember, not cold, at least 140, 150 degrees. Mix it up. Same as the orange chicken. We're going to give it a 1/2 cup of rice, which is a number 8 scoop. And then a nice full number 10 scoop of teriyaki chicken. We close them. And we serve them with a nice little fortune cookie, our vegetables and our fruit.